Okay, we heading to the penthouse suite here. It's on a penthouse floor here at the Golden Nugget Casino in Lake Charles. As you see, my wife, she loves this. She like to do the recording. And you see me way over there, and my niece is right there. She decides she's gonna have her a drink, and I'm over there way in the corner relaxing. I'm kind of wore out a little bit, up all night, was in the casino. I didn't actually lose. I made a little money. So she's walking through. You see all the amenities here. And you look around, it's actually a piano over there in the corner. And let's see what they got here in this bar in the refrigerator. And it comes with this. Oh, we put some orange juice and some more stuff, but you got Coke, Sprites, and Diet Cokes. And they leave you the water. And you actually got an ice maker in this room, so you don't have to run back and forth to get nice. You got an ice maker right there. See what's in this closet here. I thought it was a pantry, but like it's a place to hang some clothes. All right, I'm gonna hit a couple of tunes on the piano. I think I could play it. I used to play a couple of songs at my dad's church about 32 years ago. So I never took any lessons. I just got on and my sister-in-law showed me how to play a couple of songs, and that was it. That was the only two songs I know how to play. But let's see the table we're gonna look at here, and the view is awesome. You see me right there. I'm just wore out. I'm tired. And it's so relaxing up here. It's nice. If you guys ever get a chance, if you can get this penthouse floor, uh, go for it. And I don't know the price of it. This was comped to us, so we didn't have to pay anything. This is in the master bedroom. It's my wife is going through showing you all the amenities here. I think she's doing a great job filming this. And I love this shower here. I used it earlier. This is it's awesome. She's moving a little fast, but you can pause and slow it down if you would like. And what she didn't get is at the top. If you're laying down and look up, these recessed lights, oh, it's awesome. You know, we didn't get to get that in the video, but it is some recessed lights. It's well designed up here. Oh, she's gonna step out on the patio. She's usually scared of heights. So this is the view from the patio. If you look across, you can see the La Berge Casino. So I'm gonna see if I can do something here on this piano. Let me try it. Okay. All right. I done missed it.